This ain't no 600. Yo, what's up now, son? All that. Man, we can trip. WINK1100 to you faggot. Y'all eating it up like the fear fat maggots. My clutch is my trigger. Pop up, smack blocks out of you niggas. WINK1100. I got blocks. What?
The WINK1100.
It's your boy Iceman.
So you got paid to rock.
It's your boy Iceman.
What's poppin', Instagram fam? All my YouTube stunners. Today we're gonna learn how to inspect, adjust, and maintain your motorcycle chain. Put a sprockets on. What? Scrape on 20 minutes. Scrape on 20 minutes. Damn, hydraulic? Yo, that chain is. Shut up. What's up, hydraulic? I like your necklace. That ain't no chain, that's a necklace. Step up your chain game, hydraulic. My chain costs more than your frame, hydraulic. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, right there, son. Cuban links, kid. You heard? Yeah. My chain costs more than your frame, hydraulic. Let's do a little inspection. Check peep game. Yo, hydraulic, you see the teeth on your sprocket? WINK1100 to you faggot. Y'all eating it up like the fear fat. Shut up. How about the adjustment? Let's check the adjustment. Failed again. If your chain could move more than an inch, 2 inches, it needs to be adjusted, hydraulic. Come on, man. Damn, hydraulic. Your chain is roasted. Oh, oh, oh. Yo, let's do this. I know you got blocks and all that, but we got to fix your bike, son. Let's take this chain off, take it to the table. I want to measure it, size it, and show you how to understand what the chain sizes are and what really goes wrong with your chain. The next time one of your friends said they're going to give you a motorcycle chain, tell them, no thank you, I already got a necklace. Today we're going to learn how to measure a motorcycle chain using one of these, digital caliper. We're going to learn how to identify the difference between a 520, a 530, and a 630. The most common size is a 525. 520s are for 600 cc's and under. Mini bikes is the 400 series. The most common is the 525, 530 for 900s and 1000s. And you get to the 630 chains, which is the old KZ 1000 drag bike chain that they use for a lot of horsepower. Okay. First, we're going to measure the chains and find out what's going on. What size chains do we have? We have 3 chains here. This is the smallest, this is the medium, and this is the biggest. We're going to use measurements by using a digital caliper. Digital caliper, you just zero it out and you push inches. Okay, now, these are motorcycle chains, and we're going to use the first number. It's easy to get by measuring pin to pin. So we're going to get the first number by measuring pin to pin. Center of the pin, each pin. Okay. What's that number say? The first number is a, can you see that? is a 6. Okay, so this is a 6. Now we're going to measure the width of the roller to get the second number. Can you see that? Second number is 3. This is a 630. Now this chain is stretched. This chain is really, really worn. We can't use this chain. Let me show you what I mean. You can see this chain. Look, it goes in and out. This chain will eat your sprockets up. This is a very worn chain. See that? Shouldn't be able to do that. Now, where does the chain get worn when it wears out? It gets worn not at the link, but it gets worn out in the journal. This is where it gets worn out. This is the roller. And in this tunnel here is where it gets stretched out. So this is where you're going to get your stretch chain. And when it does that, it tears your sprocket up, because the sprocket only gets a piece of the chain to turn it, not the whole chain, because the chain is loose. So it'll either be the top or the bottom of the chain that actually pulls the sprocket around, not the whole chain. So your teeth will start leaning. That's where you start to see that. So when your teeth start leaning, it's time to get a new chain. Let's measure the second chain. Now this chain, we're going to see it's a 5 series. We're going to go pin to pin, center to center. And what's that number? The first number is a 5. So this chain is a 5. Now we're going to measure the journal or the roller. The second number is a 3. You can see that. So this chain is a 530. Okay, now for the last chain. This chain looks like a 5 series chain also. Let's see. We're going to go pin to pin, center to center. What's that first number? You can see it. 5. So this is a 5 series chain also. Now we're going to measure the journal or those rollers. And it says 524.6. This is a 525. Okay, so that's how you measure your motorcycle chain. 525, this is a 530, this is a 630. What is the difference? The 525 was used for 600s and down. This chain doesn't stand up to that much horsepower. The 530, this is a 954 chain, 1000s, some 1100s. So this is a stronger chain, it's a bigger chain. As you can see, it's a wider chain. It's the same length, but it's a wider chain. This is a 630. This is a chain used on a 1920, 70, 1940 KZ 1000 ZR 1 million. This is a triple 2-stroke chain and all that. These chains don't really get used nowadays except for in drag racing or those big dinosaur motorcycles. So this chain is not a popular chain. Your 530 is like a real common chain amongst the new bikes. Your 525 is a common chain for 600s and down. Okay, so that's how you measure your motorcycle chain. Now, you see that? Very worn garbage. See this? See that? This you can throw some grease on this. It's an O-ring chain. This still has a little bit of life. This doesn't even budge. This is a brand new chain. This is ready to ride, and this is what your chain should look like. Okay? That's it. Okay, Instagram fam, all my YouTube stunners, That concludes this episode of BloxLife Motorcycle Tips and Tricks. You got a question, you got a comment, we'll answer it here on the show. Just email us at bloxlifetv@gmail.com.
I'm in love with the cereal. I got it by the boatload. I'm in love with the cereal. Give me Wheelies, I need more Wheelies.